Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com. Stay tuned at the end of this video to learn how you can enter to win not only all of the back-to-school products we reviewed, but also this OneSupport shirt, this OneSupport RTIC tumbler, and this OneSupport hat. Our JBL T450 Bluetooth headphones. The pros: lightweight, comfortable, foldable, compact design. They do boast an 11-hour battery life. They charge with micro USB, which is a little disappointing. I would have preferred to see USB-C. Everything is moving in that direction now, and I feel like that's going to charge them faster. But still, not too bad. You do have your controls on the ear cup, which is nice. The button in the middle was just play pause. I couldn't skip tracks with it. I couldn't command Siri with it. With other Bluetooth headphones, they do have that functionality built into them. The sound quality on these was fantastic. The bass was, I was blown away by the bass. I'm typically a bass guy, and I was blown away by the bass. So I really did like that. The cons of the JBL Bluetooth earbuds, again, they didn't come with a 3.5 millimeter cord. So when the battery dies, you will have to recharge it before you can use them again. You know, a lot of other Bluetooth headphones, they do come with that 3.5 cable, so that when they die, you know, you could just plug it in, listen to them. I know Beats does it, Bose does it. Other JBL headphones do it as well. But these ones, they don't. We did pick these up on Amazon for just under $40. I'm going to say, let me see. These were $38.99 on Amazon. I'm going to have that link down below for you. They have different colors available as well. Overall, a good product. I really enjoyed these. I actually liked the sound quality more than I thought I was going to. So, great product for, you know, whoever's going back to school in your life. Okay, next we have the Anker PowerCore 10,000 portable charger. The pros: very lightweight, sleek design. I really like the fact that it came with this little pouch. You know, you throw it in that pouch and, you know, throw that in your purse or your backpack. It is mesh. There are holes in there, but it should still protect it from getting dirt, dust, and debris in your ports here. I like the fact that it does show you how much charge it has by the lights. I think an LED display with a percentage would be better. But all in all, good product. And we got this on Amazon for $27.99, and I'm going to have that link down below for you. We did get the bundle package with the large and the medium. We actually didn't need to use the medium, which is surprising considering the amount of stuff I was actually able to fit inside of this, which we're going to put that one in the pros column, right? If you open this up, I am using every pocket right here, right? I've got cables, dongles, adapters, one cable held here. I'm using everything on this side of it. And then over here, I've got 3 cables being held by the elastic band, and I've got room for 3 more right here. In the mesh pocket, I was able to fit my USB hub, 2 HDMI dongles. I do like the SD card sleeve right here. Let's see. It's a little hard to get the SD card out, but I think I appreciate the fact that it does fit in there so snugly. I know it's not going to come loose and get lost, so I do appreciate that. I just really appreciate having the SD card sleeve all together. And then over on the other side, I have 2 external hard drives. I have a capture card, cables for both, and in this pocket I have, you know, my power bricks in there. We did pick up the combo pack on Amazon for $28.99, and I'm going to have that link down below for you. But if you think that you might only use the large one, you can pick that up just by itself for $19.99. It does have a nylon surface that is, it says waterproof. I don't know exactly how waterproof it is. I wouldn't go around submerging it, but I would assume that, if you spill a cup of coffee on there, you're going to be all right, which is nice because you have a lot of money invested inside of here. So that's really nice. I can't really think of any cons for this product. So I would highly recommend it if anyone you know that's going back to school is like me and just needs a little more organization in their life. And then we have the Swiss Gear 1900 laptop backpack. I am a big fan of Swiss Gear. Like I said, I've been using my backpack for over 2 years now. I absolutely love it. It has been durable. You guys see how much stuff I carry on a daily basis. It's comfortable. It shows no signs of tearing, which is nice. This one, however, it fits everything I need, which is great. But the pocket that's built for the laptop, again, everything nowadays is moving to smaller, more compact sizes. So the 13-inch MacBook Pro that I have, or if you have a MacBook Air or a Chromebook, or even a 13-inch laptop, those are just getting smaller and sleeker now. I feel like it's just going to be moving around in there. It's not that secure. Also, the pocket that you put in there doesn't open all the way, so it's really hard to get that Velcro strap where you need it to be on the other side of the pocket. Other than that, though, great backpack. Very utilitarian. You can fit your water bottle. Everything that I had in my backpack fit in here nicely, even with the electronics organizer. And again, Swiss Gear, I can speak from experience. They make a quality product. If you buy this, it should last you at least 2 years, I would say. I don't know what kind of warranty they boast, but, they make a quality product. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. And again, if you're interested in winning everything you see here, visit the corresponding blog that I'm going to have linked below down in the description. The contest is going to run until August 19th, with a winner being announced on the 20th. Also, hit subscribe to stay updated on more giveaways. Thanks for watching.